So in this project, I collected information from 3 peer-reviewed articles, as well as tracked the sports section of the LA Times newspaper for 7 days. I chose this newspaper to monitor because I hypothesized that because it was a bigger area to report, that maybe there would be a wider variety of men and women's stories. I collected my data by researching the library's database of peer-reviewed articles. I also monitored the LA Times sports section online for 7 days in a row to collect data. I actually bought a subscription to the newspaper. In collecting my data, I found that there is a huge gap in the coverage of women's sports. If you can't tell by my tiny little graphs that were very difficult to get fit on there. The bottom one kind of shows it the best, where it's the massive purple area that is the men. I think in photos, in comparison to women, I think the most photos in any day of a 7-day period was 3 photos for women. It didn't seem to have a pattern. It just was mostly men's stories. When I was talking to my dad, he actually said that people just don't care about women's sports, and they also don't care about women in sports. It's not as interesting, it's not as fun to watch, so that could be a good reason why.